Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft's Bedrock in mobile. So basically all you have to do is just go to your store, whatever store you have in your phone. For example, for me, I have an iPhone, so I'm going to App Store. If you have an Android, you can go to Play Store or whatever other store. So go to search and simply look for Minecraft. So once you do so and click on that, as you can see, you should find Minecraft right here. You'll be able to download it, but as you can see, it is paid. So you'll have to pay whatever is there. For my example here, it's €8 and I'll be able to simply pay it and I'll be able to play and download Minecraft Bedrock without any problems. Of course, if you want to get it for free, there are some options. I guess one of them is simply to use to go, as example, to any browser. And I guess if you go to education like .minecraft.net, you can sign up using your educational email if you have like a school email, and you'll be able to get it for free. And I guess you can also get it using the Xbox Game Pass. If you have that, you will be able to get it for free to download as well. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.